Okay, I'm back. Okay, these plastic things go on first. They're insulators. Um, they go like that. It looks like I got to put this thing on first, though. You know, I did this wrong the first time with the insulators. I cut the insulators up. And my engineer friend is not very happy with me about cutting my insulators up. I glued them back together and put it back on right. That's the fact. I made a video of me putting the insulators on wrong. You know, you don't want to short these. It's bad news. And you get a really big explosion. It's like boom. I mean, it could be dangerous. These ain't like car batteries. These things, they give up amps, like almost all of them, all at once. So it's like a big flash. It's horrible. Some people don't know that. And they mess with these. They don't know what they're messing with. But you want to be really careful. You don't want to drop your wrench on there or anything, because it ain't going to be good if you do. Now let's see. I had these. Put these on next. I believe. Like that. Yeah, buddy. Like that. Now, you know what I don't have? The correct wrench. I need to go get a driver. We'll just put it on finger tight for this minute. Alright, that's enough to hold it for now. I need a nut driver or a socket and a little screwdriver handle driver. I got like a 3/8 drive and no, I have a 1/4 inch is what I like to use for this 1/4 inch. It looks like a metric 12 or something. We can finger tight it. I want to show you how to do the first part. I'll tell you this much, so you know what I'm doing here. Okay, now you see that, right? This is the ground. It was black, remember? So these two grounds are tied together with these two batteries. So this is one battery. I'm making it that way. And then I'm going to do the same thing up here. And I'll come back later. First thing I'm going to do is put these things on here. This center, there's actually a battery that goes from here to here. I think it's like 6 volts, and then here to here. Oh no, it's not 6. It's 4 point something, 4.2 or something like that. I'll look it up and I'll tell you. Anyway, you add them together and you get like 8 volts. But we're paralleling these two batteries, so from here to here is going to be about 8 volts. I'll show you on the meter. But before I do that, I'm going to put this bus bar on here. It's actually a little bus tab, like really thin one. Reminds me of the ones that go on solar panels. Okay. Right. You know what I'm going to do next, don't you? Next, I'm going to put these orange deals on up here. Two of them. Like that. See? Alright. To join these two batteries to link them together, we're going to put this bus bar right here. These are positive going into the negative. Like that. See there? Just like that. Get this started. I know it's boring, but if you don't know how to do this, it'd be nice for somebody to show you how to do it. You might want to do some Nissan lease. But the best thing you do is find a wrecked Nissan car and buy that baby. Get the batteries out of it. That would be good. Come on, baby. That one guy says, "Come on, baby, sweet barbecue." Cletus. I don't know if you've seen the Cletus channel. It's a hot rod channel. He's from Florida. He says, "Oh, sweet baby barbecue." I don't know if we're still recording. I sure hope so. Looks like it. Hope y'all ain't too bored. See? We're getting pretty far now. See how I did that? I'm gonna tighten all this up with the little driver. I gotta go out the shed to get it. My wife just can't stand me having tools in the house barely. Alright. I gotta go get my driver. I'm gonna cut y'all off. We'll come back. Stay tuned for part 3.